Yo guys, so I have $58 right here that I want to flip, or I saw an opportunity that I want to open a trade on. So when you look at chart want to move away, so let me just pick this trade. Good. So I will explain. So why am I picking this trade? So based on the divergence that we trade, those who bought my PDF, they understand this line. Okay, so this is the exact thing that we want to trade. So quickly, when this break this zone again, we are going to enter more positions. We'll be entering more position based on this, guys. So we are trading based on this divergence of the market, so you just have to stay in touch as we trade this divergence. So let's go and come back to check on this trade in some minutes back to see where I will send this $58 to. Let's go and come. So guys, within some minutes back, we have a push up to the upside, and you can see how powerful this is going. This is going to move and move into massive profit. Okay, so take profit will just be somewhere here. All right, that is what we have, guys. This is the best strategy that you must be learning for yourself in order to make a lot of profit in this market, guys. So let's keep holding this and see how the end will be. So guys, within some minutes back, we are heading to TP and we are in massive profit, guys. So this is how you should be trading. Wait till market give you opportunity before you trade. It's been a while I dropped video on here, and it's been a while I dropped signals in my Telegram group too. So those one in my Telegram group, you know, I've not been trading for some couple of weeks now due to signal not showing upward. So see you guys in my next live analysis and trade. With this, you can keep on learning with my channel how to pick live trade with a comfortable signal that I have been given in my Telegram group, and all that can help you profit in this market. Let's see you in the next video.